University of Algiers 3 e-learning platform. Dear students, to install Moodle on Android and iOS, you'll need to use the Moodle mobile app. Here's how to install and set it up. 1. Download the Moodle mobile app. If you are using Android, go to the Google Play Store and search for Moodle Mobile. If you are using iOS, go to the Apple App Store and search for Moodle Mobile. Download and install the app. 2. Open the Moodle mobile app. Launch the app on your device. 3. Add the University of Algiers 3 Moodle site. Enter the URL of the University of Algiers 3 Moodle site, or scan its QR code. Then, connect to the website. 4. Log into your Moodle site. Enter your Moodle username and password. Then tap Login. 5. Access your Moodle courses. Once logged in, you'll see a list of your Moodle courses. You can change your interface language setting from the main menu. Then you can tap on a course to access its content and activities. Experience the convenience of Moodle Mobile. Access your courses, submit assignments, and collaborate with classmates anytime, anywhere. This is a place where you can learn and grow at your own pace. Best of luck with your learning.